Morning traders, CJ here. Just another recap video on pound New Zealand dollar. It was a trade that I had a sell limit order on it yesterday, and it triggered us in, you know, banked one position, then got knocked out. I'm just going to show you what I was looking at. Now, as you can see, we have inverse head and shoulders. And that's a strong reversal pattern, and then you can see that we pushed back up into this double top region, but price was quite corrective, it was quite slow. You know, we came up into this double top region. Sorry, I've got the magnet mode on. Yeah, came up into this double top region, popped that little bit higher, and then we had a rejection from that level. Now if I just zoom in ever so slightly, yeah, you can see that we had an initial reaction from that area. We then obviously came up to retest it again, but as you can clearly see, that was our high, and we failed to break that and create a new high in the market. And once again, we had that push to the downside. That was when I entered the market, so I set the order in this region here, and that was because, you know, we'd come down to the bottom of the corrective pattern, this channel, but we hadn't broken it to the downside, so I was expecting for a retracement for that next move. And as you can see, you know, we did get that bullish price action and we got triggered into the trade. The trade actually moved in our direction quite nicely. You can see that I had a quite wide stop loss of 50 pips, so as soon as we hit 50 pips, I actually put my stops to banking 1%. Was hoping there might be a little bit more momentum, but as you can see, you know, we stalled in this region, which is obviously, as you can see, you know, was a strong level of structure, and we obviously have had you know, buying liquidity in this area before. So as you can see, if I continue to play price out overnight in the Asia session, you know, I ended up getting stopped out, and you can see that it was, you know, I'm glad how I managed the trade, because we actually came all the way back to our entry. So I'm glad that I banked 1% rather than getting knocked out for break even. But again, I'm still short on this pair. As you can see, you know, we haven't broken that high, you know, we're gradually getting lower highs, and if I just bounce it to where price action is now, you know, you can see that, you know, in this region here, we are, sorry, price is, you know, going, you know, downwards. This is like potentially just an extension of this larger pattern. So it's something that I'm going to monitor closely. But well done to those of you in the group that caught this trade. Hopefully this video will help understand why I entered the trade, how I managed it. And yeah, as always, if you've got any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.